PentaUSA Drywall Repair Kit. Our drywall repair kit comes with quality wall plaster, an applicator spatula, rough and soft sandpapers, a fiberglass mesh, a replacement tip, and an instruction manual that is very clear and understandable. It is made of non-toxic materials and has a waterproof feature. Perfect for filling nail holes and covering up marks and dirt on your wall. Make sure the application area is dry and clean, then fill the area with the plaster. Scrape the plaster with the special applicator scraper. Wait for 1 to 2 hours for it to be dry. Use rough or soft sandpaper to smoothen the area, and it is ready to be painted over. It can be even used for filling larger holes, thanks to the large amount of fiberglass mesh. After painting your wall, the application area will become so invisible, even you won't be able to find it again. Choose PentaUSA Drywall Repair Kit and fix your walls easily and effectively. PentaUSA. Reach the quality.